been going on. It's a doozy, makes you woozy. Nothing but me this way, yes sir. It's the Transylvania way. And you and can't resistance appeal. Everybody's out there doing it lunch for meal. So true, but that's all you say. Even listen with the radio lobby. It's the latest craze.